With this trick, in 2 minutes you will have white teeth. I did not believe it either, now I do. After spending a lot of time without visiting the dentist, smoking for many years, drinking tea, coffee or drinking too many dark drinks, you may have yellowed teeth, which makes it look unattractive and makes you not want to smile too much. You will not need to spend on expensive treatments with your dentist, so you have a smile as you want. Now you can use a trick that will make you forget everything and leave the worry. You will learn how to cleanse your teeth quickly, simply, effectively and powerfully. What are you waiting for? You have to look at your home the following ingredients: baking soda and 1 lemon. If that is all. Once you have the ingredients at your fingertips, you should follow the following instructions to properly apply the home treatment. Preparation. 1. Place a spoonful of baking soda in a deep bowl, so that it is not dumped at any time. 2. Then you will split the lemon in half. 3. Squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon, so that the juice remains. 4. Mix the lemon juice you squeezed with the baking soda you have in the bowl. 5. Find a napkin. 6. With the napkin you will grab the mixture and apply it to your teeth, in each of them. 7. Wait 2 minutes for it to take effect. 8. Thoroughly rinse your teeth to achieve the expected results. 9. Now you only have to look in the mirror and see for yourself that you have a lot of whiter teeth. It is important that you know that you cannot do the procedure very often. Do not abuse its benefits, mainly because you can generate a wear and tear on the enamel of your teeth. Remember that it is a trick that you should use sparingly, so that you do not cause side effects on your health.